Have you ever stopped to admire how effortlessly a cat moves? Unlike most animals, cats walk with a special style called direct registering. This means the cat's back paws land in the same spot that the front paws land before. This unique gait is all about balance and precision. This helps them walk quietly and minimizes visible footprints and scent. Perfect for stealth, this way of walking allowing cats to sneak up on prey or avoid detection. So, the next time you see your cat strutting around, remember, it's not just cute, it's the secret to their agility and hunting skills.